बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग स्टोरी है मेरे लिए एंड आई फील कि आई हैवंट प्लेड अ कैरेक्टर लाइक दिस इन माय एंटायर करियर तो इट वाज लाइक अ नो ब्रेनर या फॉर मी आई हैड टू से यस राइट अवे.
फीवर 104 एफएम आप देख रहे हैं. स्क्रीन स्प्लिट है और एक तो मैं हूँ सुपर वुमनिया स्तुति और दूसरी है वो जिनको बड़े पर्दे पे देखने में या अब इवन अपने लैपटॉप स्क्रीन पे या किसी भी तरह के स्क्रीन पे देखने में बड़ा मजा आता है. इलियाना जी क्रूज. ओके, फर्स्ट थिंग्स फर्स्ट, बिग बुल, वेरी वेरी एक्साइटेड अबाउट दिस. सबसे पहले व्हाट इज इट जो आप इसके बारे में रिवील कर सकते हैं? I like this pregnant pause.
I mean, I love that you're gone straight to it. Like, what can you reveal about it? I don't want to reveal anything about it क्योंकि story इतनी interesting है. I think the best part about it is that I don't reveal. और जितना आपको ट्रेलर में दिखाया जाता है, you know, about the story, about the scam, about his rise, I think उतना काफी है. I mean, for what you can gather, आपने देखी है ट्रेलर?
Trailer देखा, yes.
What did you think? How did you think? Did you
Very
like
intrigued, very intrigued.
it? Okay.
Which is why I want to know more because we're seeing a completely different side of you. वहाँ पे you come straight to the point. जो आप मुझे अभी यहाँ पे
Let me come straight to the point. बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग स्टोरी है मेरे लिए एंड आई फील कि आई हैवंट प्लेड अ कैरेक्टर लाइक दिस इन माय एंटायर करियर तो इट वाज लाइक अ नो ब्रेनर या फॉर मी आई हैड टू से यस राइट अवे. I think if there's one thing I can reveal about the film is Abhishek is outstanding and I think you're going to see such an amazing side of him and he's played the character so well. तो मैं उतना रिवील कर सकती हूँ बस.
That's so sweet. That's also being so modest. He तारीफ आपने अपने co-actor की करी है, but you, like I said, have completely made sure that our curiosity quotient peaks because of our look and the little that we know. I mean, of course, it's just the trailer. We can only judge it on the basis of a couple of scenes and flashes of you that we see, but we're very, very interested. How was 2020 this year, which was tough on all of us? How was it for you? What has been the biggest learning after you?
And I think the biggest learning for me for 2020 was right at the beginning of the lockdown. I don't want to bring the mood down, but I lost a very close family member 5 days into the lockdown. And I think right from that moment, it just hit so badly, it hit so strong. And I was like, you don't know how much time you have. You know, I love my work, but I feel कि कभी-कभी क्या होता है, you know, you just get so wrapped up in it. You don't realize that you're not spending enough time. You're not separating or taking time away and apart to spend time with family. So I think the biggest learning for me is definitely, yes, my work is amazing and it's pretty much the center of my universe, but I do need to make more time. And I need to prioritize more time for family because you're never going to get that time back. So that's my only little regret when it comes to that. I wish I had had more time.
That's actually beautifully put. अच्छा इलियाना, I also review films and you know बर्फी से लेके अभी तक आपकी इतनी सारी फिल्में हमने देखी हैं and the one thing I've noticed is you have this very charismatic screen presence and you have really managed to strike a balance between those really frothy, easy comic roles to, I wouldn't call them easy. I mean, comedy in itself is very difficult, but the roles with lighter shades, or of course थोड़ा serious और intense जो आपने पिक्चरों में किया है. This has been more of a thought out decision आपके लिए या आप lucky थी कि आपको एक wide range of roles अभी तक मिले?
I think a bit of both. You know, I think you do have to have luck in this industry क्योंकि जो opportunities दी जाती है sometimes are not that great. So I think in that respect, yes, you do have to have a certain amount of luck, I suppose. But definitely quite a well thought out decision because I did not want to be one of those people who's just, you know, typecast into those typical roles of just being a glamorous person. Barfi ke baad, honestly, I got so many offers to play a lovely Bengali girl and I would have loved to do it, but I was like, listen, I cannot be typecast into this beautiful little Sati Savitri Bengali girl. I'm not that. I can be so much more. So in a way, it was a thought-out decision. Also, like
I have to tell you, I'm a half Bengali. I have to tell you, I'm half Bengali, and when I saw you in Patna, don't tell me she's not a Bengali. Like you really, you know, like you said, you got the sweetness, the mithas.
I mean, see, that means so much to me. Like if someone like you who is from that sort of background, culture, you understand it, and I'm really not. If you think that it was believable, I feel like I've done a good job. So the same way, I think even for the Big Bull, I had a few interviews last week, and there was some lovely journalists and some female journalists as well, and they said, we're so happy with how you portrayed the character, you know, it's so real. We never get portrayed well in movies normally, and we're so happy with how you've been shown. And I'm like, yes, I think that's a win. I cannot give myself credit fully, but I think the writing is amazing for film, and I just made it my own, so now it's up to everybody else, and I hope they like it.
And that is what is important, to make the character your own. अच्छा, एक और चीज which completely, you know, you stand out, of course, is your honesty. You have spoken about how to deal with online trolling. You've spoken about body image issues. How difficult is it, Ileana? Every day, you're of course one of those who's considered beautiful, considered pretty, and yet for you to come out and say कि नहीं, there are days which are very tough, and you know, even I've had to deal with this. How, you know, what made you actually admit to this? Because a lot of people don't. A lot of people would just want to project, you know, the strong side and say, "Arey, it's lovely. I wake up like this, and you know, life is good."
I think it's very important, you know, especially in the times that we're living in right now, because there's such a lot of exposure to social media. There's a lot of pressure as well, you know. I feel that lots of not just girls, even boys, just young people everywhere, not even young people, I think all sorts of people are just pressurized into looking a specific way. It's like, what's the ideal body type? I scroll through Instagram every day, and there's always an ad that come up like, oh, are you afraid about, you know, not looking right? Or do you want the perfect body type? Try this diet, try that. And I'm like, you know, people need to stop putting that pressure on themselves. And I think in a way, I look at myself as, you know, I look at a really popular, famous person and be like, oh, you know, I wish I was like that. But most people don't realize that it's either one, a lot of photoshopping, which is the easiest thing to do. Two, you have access to an amazing trainer. You have access to amazing nutritionists. So you have people who are, you know, pumping in good information into you, and also like telling you how to look a specific way and making sure you look that way. But more often than not, it's just a big facade. So I think it's very important to get a certain amount of realism into it. And I feel that social media is something that gives me that access to people. And I don't like certain days where I feel pressurized to look a specific way. And I'm like, you know what, I'm just like you. So I would feel better talking about it, because I think it's okay to not slip up. It's okay to be normal. It's okay to be human. It's okay to feel not okay on some days. So I just wanted to put that out there to a few people, because it was really hard for me to come to terms with it initially.
Perfect. Acha, Big Bull ki humne baat ki hai, but just, you know, the filmography that you have, which like I said is so interesting, with this very fascinating balance between comic and intense roles. आपके लिए personally सबसे difficult role कौन सा रहा है जो अभी तक आपने portray?
I think all the roles I've done, I've had a certain amount of difficulty. Big Bull was difficult in lots of ways, because, you know, playing a financial journalist with that sort of credibility.
Did you try and model it on someone?
Not at all. No homework, not at all. I haven't done any homework, haven't looked at anybody in specific at all. I basically took the writing and made it my own. So, in fact, all the work that was put in was the writers and the director. I just took all of that and tried to make it my own. The other character that I found really difficult was the one that I've done next. It's called Unfair and Lovely. The one with, it's with Randeep Hooda. That was a really difficult character as well. So they were both difficult in different ways. Big Bull was challenging in lots of ways, and more so because I think it was set in a different time and very unusual. You know, financial journalism is something that's very alien to me. So it was very, very tricky for sure, and kind of difficult, you know, because like she's a woman who's standing up to all these men, and especially this very powerful person. So yeah, it was interesting.
अच्छा, एक लास्ट सवाल है. I know your team has done so many interviews और अब जब हम ट्रेलर देख चुके हैं तो कहीं पे जो initial doubts about this being similar to Scam and all of that वो rest हो चुका है. But अब when Scam came out initially, were you a little nervous कि कैसे होगा and there will be comparisons? Were you a little perturbed about that?
Honestly, I didn't know too much about Scam, and I think when it came out, I wasn't even in the country. I was out. I was with my mom in America, so I was very cut off from that. I still haven't seen it. I've heard the most amazing things about it, but I don't think there was that real worry. I think I had a conversation once with somebody, but then it was just a very random conversation. I said, I really don't know. I haven't seen it, so I'm not sure if it's even similar. But I know we've done a really good film, and we've got a great story, and we've got a great set of actors. So my fingers are crossed, and I think we've done a good job.
Absolutely, you have. Like I said, looking forward to the film. जाने से पहले, one USP about the movie that I let you address my viewers, my listeners directly. क्यों देखनी चाहिए सबको?
It's a very intriguing story, for one. Two, I just think, like I said before, I know I'm being modest, but I think Abhishek is outstanding in the film, and I think he's so good. He was such a lot of fun to watch when I was acting in the film that I think you as viewers will enjoy watching him. He's brought such life to this character. It's going to be amazing.
An absolute pleasure talking to you, Ileana. I wish the other time hota, but hopefully the situation will get better and we'll have you in our studios next time.
Very soon. Fingers crossed. Stay safe.